What up, YouTube? I'm back chilling at my spot where I do my bass videos, as you can see. My amp's working good today. Not taking a shoot on me, so hopefully it won't take one on me while I'm doing the vid. So I'm going to see how well my flip does the flexing, or how well it catches the flexing. So I'm going to do that Go song, because that seems like it'll flex pretty good, by Morrison. Man, I just can't stop bumping that, makes it sound so good. Thanks, Psych. So, hit me up. Oh yeah, what I forgot to show you guys, look what happened over here the other day. It's playing some Psych Morrison all of a sudden. Damn. So yeah, it's the one type I will do it to you if you can make a good box for it. Alright, let's see what she does.
Mix the others in this fit. They be like chives. They say they love my style, down to the test. Fit it, pull down, put them up, check the stats. Precious by far, throw it on, it's a fact. Studio look like chickens, and the house look like champs. Ask around, niggas feel me like a crab. Probably size some pussy like a tan. Flesh inked up,
fly, yeah.
Cuties wanna ride me like a ramp. Plug the mic, watch me shine like a lamp, yikes. They say I say my name a lot, I guess they listen. Run a squad, homie, keep it moving like some pistons. On the daily, catch me piffin', rarely I be sippin'. Such a star, but I'm down to earth like a chicken. No pun, I'm beat it like a drum. No strings attached, so I'm hitting it for fun. I'm on that chick head like a bun.
Holy shit, I am surrounded by flies.
They be like chives. They say that I'm nice. Your favorite actor, ventriloquist, wants to kill a band, illicit. That's why your fan feeling this. I'm on top, not a base, nobody's feeling this. All my fam, wild like gorillas is. That bitch sexy, I bust like Lilla chick. No rule, but my chick ball like Lilla.
Spacing up today.
Everybody goes with their hands so sterile. Running around stupid, no brains on the scarecrow. It's all skull trees, pull your car like tarot. They be like chives.
Look at that flexing.
They be like chives. Let's go.
Bitch was hidden. And now there's love bugs all over me. Ah! Well, yeah, my amp's working good today. Holy shit. All these bugs all over me. Ah! But, yeah, I'm gonna dip before I get swarmed by these bugs. But, yeah, the amp, I think I'm gonna get a Kicker 750.1, because it comes with a bass knob, puts out 783 watts at 2 ohms. Not 750, but 783. I want to get the Alpine M1000, but, what do you call it? Yeah. They're kind of expensive on eBay, so I might end up getting the 750.1. I'll see. Depends on the money. So, I'll hit you up, alright? Later.